For the last 2 years, I've been experiencing really bad chronic back pain. It's just been awful. It's robbed me of so many of the things that I like to do in life. I haven't been able to play sports or go to the gym, and I've always been athletic, so that has just been torture. It's also been affecting me professionally. I'm in so much pain, I can't even sit at my desk all day. I have to sometimes lie down on the floor on my stomach and try to work that way, but I'm just off my game. I'm not sharp in meetings because of the pain, and I'm suffering professionally. And it's also impacted my relationship because I don't always want to go out to restaurants, and I don't like to be as active as we used to be. And when I come home, I just want to ice or use a heating pad and lay down, and I feel terrible because my girlfriend feels great and wants to do all the things, and I'm unable physically. I've been unable physically to do them, and I just feel terrible about it. So that's why over the last 2 years, I have tried literally everything you can think of to try to get rid of the pain. I mean, everything. I started with the MRI and the physical therapy. I tried pain pills, which is obviously very dangerous, and I started to see a chiropractor that charges $450 an hour, and I was going broke. And I even went to go see a shaman to try to fix me, and nothing was working. And then a friend of mine told me about Kailo, which is an all-natural strip, very easy to use, that you put on your area of pain or slightly above it, and you feel instant relief. I can tell you that discovering Kailo has changed my life. Kailo gave me my life back. I'm able to play sports. I'm playing basketball, I'm boxing, I'm golfing, no restrictions. I was hiking a few weeks ago with my girlfriend, and about halfway through, I almost broke down in tears because I realized, I'm hiking. I'm doing it right now. I'm out here. I'm not in pain. I'm actually enjoying myself, and that was the first time I felt that way in 2 years. Normally, if I even did something like that, I would be grinding my way through it and feeling terrible the whole time. And because of Kailo, I can enjoy life again. And so for anyone who is having pain and the doctors have done all they can do and they have nowhere else to turn, I strongly recommend they give Kailo a try because it's natural, it's easy to use, it's inexpensive compared to other treatments out there. I can't even put into words how grateful I am.